El Camino green, rust around the fenders like you'd only see in dreams. Most folks called it junk, and maybe they were right, but Daddy saw potential every Saturday night. The truck wouldn't start, at least not every time, so we lift that old hood up and spend a while trying. A wrench here, a spark plug there, grease stains on our hands. I thought we were fixing an old car. Now I know he was fixing a man. We'd make a trip for parts to the station up the road, then come back and keep working till the daylight started going. He'd tell me what each piece did and why things worked that way. I learned a little more each weekend than I knew at the start of the day. The truck wouldn't start, at least not every time, so we'd lift that old hood up and spend a while trying. A wrench here, a spark plug there, grease stains on our hands. I thought we were fixing an old car. Now I know he was fixing a man. I always thought that someday, when I finally got my license, those keys would find their way to me, and that old dream would keep on driving. But bills came due one winter, and the truck got sold away. That's how life works sometimes, no matter what we'd hope someday. I won't lie and say I wasn't sad to see it go. Felt like watching part of childhood disappear down the road. But standing here years later, looking back on who I am, I still carry every lesson from beside that engine stand. The truck wouldn't start, at least not every time, but somehow all those Saturdays still run through my mind. A wrench here, a spark plug there, grease stains on our hands. I thought we were fixing an old car. Now I know he's fixing a man. That old green El Camino has been gone a long, long while, but every time I smell motor oil, I can't help but smile.